fertilization, the zygote is formed. But what happens to the zygote? It moves through the isthmus, that narrow, this one. Here the isthmus, the fertilization of the zygote take place. Okay, and here the transport of ovum, fertilization, passage of the growing embryo through the fallopian tube. So here the release of the ovum will take place. Then here in the isthmus the fertilization will take place. Now as the zygote moves through the isthmus of the oviduct called cleavage towards the uterus, there the mitotic division is known as cleavage. यहाँ जो mitotic division होगा that is called as cleavage, टूटेगा and forms 2, 4, 8, 16. ठीक है, जस्ट डबल हो जाएगा. 2 का 4, 4 का 8, 8 का 16 डॉटर सेल्स आर कॉल्ड ब्लास्टोमियर्स. These are called blastomeres. The embryo with 8 to 16 blastomeres are known as morula. The morula continues to divide and transforms into blastocyst. Okay, and as it moves further into the uterus, the blastomere in the blastocyst are arranged into an outer layer called tropoblast. An inner group of cells attached to the tropoblast are called inner cell mass. Tropoblast layer gets attached to the endometrial and the inner mass get differentiated as embryo. After attachment, the uterine cell divide rapidly and covers the blastocyst. As a result, blastocysts become embedded in the endometrium of the uterus. This is called implantation and it leads to pregnancy. What happens here? That 8 to 16 cell layer, this thing is called blastomere. It travels down and when it goes, so it has got outer layer. It has got an outer layer of tropoblast, outer layer of the tropoblast and inner cell mass. This is inner cell mass and outermost is called as tropoblast, and this tropoblast is attaches itself with the endometrium. Tropoblast attaches itself with the endometrium, whereas in the inner cell give rise to the embryo. After attachment, the uterine wall divides rapidly. This uterine wall, it divides rapidly and covers the blastocyst. The cover, it will be covered by the blastocyst will be covered by the uterine cells. As a result, blastocysts become embedded. Embedded means it gets into. See this thing that it has gone into, that it gets embedded into the uterine wall in the endometrium. Okay, and now this implantation has been taken place and it leads to the pregnancy. This was all about the release of the ovum, fertilization of the ovum, then formation of the blastomeres, and the blastomeres leads to the making of the morula, and it continues to divide and transform into blastocyst, and again the blastocyst is implanted in the endometrium. Okay, this was all about the implantation. Okay, next I will tell you about the pregnancy and the embryonic development. Okay.